I'm laughing because I still don't know what you said.
Well, that'll be on camera, that. Right, so we've just stopped off for some fuel, had a canopy up and a natter. So we're just heading towards Hornsey, and then we're going to go through Hornsey, down towards Withensea, and then on to Spurnehead. Never been down there, just want to see what it's like. A bit of an adventure. Summer gloves on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Them back boxes are handy, aren't they?
Oh yeah. When you know when you sort your mirror out.
Yeah.
I think I need my left mirror sorted.
Alright.
It's just a little bit too down.
Yeah. Well, I need to get some proper bolts for your mirror.
Why? What do you mean?
Because at the minute I use them long screws, didn't I, with screw head.
Oh.
It needs bolt, really a bolt. Singles form.
The nice roads out here.
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
Yeah. Hornsey Garden Centre.
Yeah. Smells nice.
Oh, that smells nice.
Said that, we said.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, so it smells nice.
Time, didn't you?
Yeah. Bit of a tide left on it.
Yeah.
Clear anyway.
Ooh.
Clear. Clear.
Clear.
Yeah. Car coming.
Oh, Jonathan.
What?
Naughty, naughty.
What? I saw it.
I bet they were cursing you.
Well, they're coming round a bend. I'm on that side, getting a good view, and then I saw it and moved over.
I'm popping away.
You are.
Yeah.
Pop, pop, pop. Turning left here. Right, sorry.
I knew what you meant.
Bit of an awkward bend.
Yeah.
They look clear to me.
Oh, this is pretty.
Isn't it? We're coming down here to disturb the peace.
I know. Gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, it's lovely.
It was about 10 centimetres long, it was huge.
I might have gone over it.
Turning left here, Donna. I'm going to stop because I can't see.
Yeah.
Clear both ways.
Oh.
Clear. Straight road in front.
No. Oh, lovely road, wasn't there?
Ah. Still clear. Are you still with me?
Yeah.
Ah. Clear. Bit of a pothole as you come round that corner.
Yeah. I went straight over it. I saw it and went
You
straight,
went straight over it?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell. Come in.
Right.
Give way. You see me?
Yeah.
I'll wait for you.
Mia.
Are you out?
Yeah.
That was a nice road, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, Jesus.
What the freaking hell? What a friend we have in Jesus. Oh, children of the corn place. There's a Rosa car in front.
I know, I can see you, Jonathan. I'm right behind you.
Oh.
You don't use your mirrors, do you? That's what bike I want.
One of them?
Yeah.
Why is...
That won't best when you overtook it, that copper.
Yeah, but they were only doing 50. I mean, by rights, we should be overtaking these now, 30.
Bye!
Well, I can let you know when it's clear, can't I? got his window wiper on constantly.
Don't know, I maybe don't know.
Yeah, turn in left. Are you in?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna go before that van, but
You're waiting for a car.
yeah. Well, that was a nice road, wasn't it, as well?
Yeah. I'd definitely come this route again.
Yeah, definitely.
Good choice of mine, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
He said that like, yeah, well, yeah. Looks a nice little town.
Yeah.
Or village. Oh, that pub was called the Wool Park.
What are you? Duffed at Woolley. Duffed at Wool Park. Alright.
You what?
Are you alright?
Can't hear you.
Said, are you okay?
Oh yeah, it sounded like you were going 5,
Babe. Babe.
5.
Babe. What, like?
What were you saying?
Said, are you alright?
Oh, well, it didn't sound like it.
Did you think I was saying babe like there's 2 doors down?
I'm laughing because I still don't know what you said.